Get ready to unlock the secret to a sculpted, strong, and enviable backside. Welcome to parshealthtv, where we reveal the only 7 dumbbell glute exercises you need to achieve that dreamy bigger butt. Whether you're a gym enthusiast or prefer working out at home, these power-packed glute exercises will target those glutes and hamstrings like never before. Say goodbye to tedious workouts and hello to a more effective and enjoyable routine. So grab your dumbbells, subscribe to our channel, and let's get those glutes firing. Are you ready to embrace the burn and transform your booty game? Let's dive in. Number 7. Dumbbell Romanian Deadlift, RDL. The Dumbbell Romanian Deadlift, RDL, is a highly effective glute and hamstring exercise that targets the posterior chain. To perform the RDL, stand with feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with a neutral grip. While maintaining a slight bend in the knees, hinge at the hips and lower the dumbbells down your thighs, feeling a stretch in the hamstrings. It is essential to keep the back straight and engage the core throughout the movement. By squeezing the glutes and extending the hips forward, you return to the starting position. The Dumbbell Romanian Deadlift not only helps in strengthening the glutes and hamstrings but also improves hip mobility and overall posterior chain stability. Number 6. Dumbbell Hip Thrust. The Dumbbell Hip Thrust is a powerful exercise that targets and activates the glute muscles effectively. To perform this exercise, begin by sitting on the ground with your back against a bench and a dumbbell placed on your hips. Place your feet flat on the floor, ensuring your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Drive through your heels and push your hips up towards the ceiling while squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. Lower your hips back down to the ground with control and repeat for the desired number of repetitions. The dumbbell hip thrust is known for its ability to isolate and engage the glute muscles, making it a popular choice for those aiming to enhance glute strength, stability, and overall lower body power. Number 5. Dumbbell Bulgarian Split Squat. The Dumbbell Bulgarian Split Squat is a challenging and effective lower body exercise that primarily targets the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. To perform this exercise, stand facing away from a bench or elevated surface with a dumbbell in each hand. Place one foot on the bench behind you, ensuring your other foot is positioned far enough in front to perform a lunge. Lower your body down by bending your front knee until it forms a 90-degree angle, making sure the knee is directly above your ankle. Keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout the movement. Push through the front heel to return to the starting position and repeat for the desired repetitions before switching legs. The Dumbbell Bulgarian Split Squat helps improve lower body strength, stability, and balance, making it a valuable addition to any leg-focused workout routine. Number 4. Dumbbell Goblet Squat. The Dumbbell Goblet Squat is a highly effective and versatile lower body exercise that targets the quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. To perform this exercise, hold a dumbbell vertically close to your chest with both hands, keeping your elbows pointing down. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and toes slightly turned out. Initiate the squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees, keeping your chest up and maintaining a neutral spine. Lower your body down until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as far as your flexibility allows. Engage your glutes and quads to push through your heels and return to the starting position. The Dumbbell Goblet Squat is an excellent exercise for building lower body strength, improving squat mechanics, and enhancing overall functional movement patterns. Additionally, the goblet hold promotes proper posture and encourages engagement of the core muscles throughout the exercise. Number 3. Dumbbell Step-Ups. Dumbbell step-ups are a highly beneficial lower body exercise that targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while also engaging the core for stability. To perform this exercise, stand in front of a sturdy bench or elevated surface with a dumbbell in each hand. Step one foot onto the bench and push through your heel to lift your body up onto the surface. Ensure both feet are fully on the bench before stepping back down 1 foot at a time. The movement involves alternating legs with each repetition, making it a dynamic and functional exercise. Dumbbell step-ups are not only effective for building lower body strength but also for improving balance, coordination, and single leg stability, making them an excellent addition to any leg-focused or full-body workout routine. Number 2. Dumbbell Glute Bridge. The Dumbbell Glute Bridge is a fantastic exercise for targeting and strengthening the glute muscles and hamstrings. To perform this exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, and hold a dumbbell on your hips. Engage your core and press through your heels to lift your hips off the ground, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees at the top of the movement. Squeeze your glutes at the peak of the bridge before slowly lowering your hips back down to the ground. The Dumbbell Glute Bridge is a versatile exercise that can be easily modified by adjusting the weight of the dumbbell or adding resistance bands to intensify the workout. It not only helps in building glute strength but also aids in improving hip mobility, posture, and stability, making it a valuable addition to any lower body or full body training routine. Number 1. Dumbbell Curtsy Lunge. The Dumbbell Curtsy Lunge is a dynamic lower body exercise that targets the glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand by your sides. Take a step diagonally behind and across your body, lowering your back knee towards the ground while keeping the front knee in line with your toes. Push through the front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. The Dumbbell Curtsy Lunge not only helps in building lower body strength but also enhances hip stability and improves overall balance and coordination. It's a beneficial addition to any leg-focused workout routine and can be modified by adjusting the weight of the dumbbells to suit different fitness levels. Thank you for joining us in this glute-tastic journey to building a stronger and more fabulous booty. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 7 dumbbell glute exercises and are feeling inspired to incorporate them into your fitness routine. Remember, consistency is key, and progress takes time, so stay dedicated and patient on your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite exercise, and share it with your fellow fitness enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest workout tips and exercise guides. Keep pushing your limits, and before you know it, you'll be rocking that incredible, head-turning derriere. Stay strong, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next workout adventure. Until then, train hard, train smart, and remember, a stronger you starts right here.